Yeah. Okay, we can do it.
They said you had to
We'll
do
be
it.
cool if we do it. Okay, ready?
Leave the door open.
Where's Holly? Where is she? This is freaking small.
Did Holly do it?
No.
See? When they try to start breathing, they can't breathe.
I can't get it out. I can't get it out.
Just swallow. It's in your throat, not in your mouth. It's pushing it in your
It's in
mouth.
my mouth.
How are you doing, Holly? Good? You want some big red gum? How about some Cinnamon Toast Crunch?